This is a special one because these are my favorite ones I've collected so far this year. And it's right here with the carrier. Pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that. Pretty cool design. Pretty cool, honestly. And the back part, not much, just those yellow ones. But overall, probably one of my favorite ones. I wish I would have bought another one and so I could open it. These were like $5, which is like relatively cheap for like a collab Hot Wheels Transformers toy. Considering like the other one I have, it's much smaller and it was like way more. Like who knows how much it was. But yeah, this one was $5. Should have got another one. Sadly, they're not in stock anymore because I haven't seen any lately. And this one, I found this one at Target as well. I found this one like a month or two later. It's the Bumblebee. I like the glimmering shine of like the yellow on the cart and the white. The black walls. The black wheels with little gold trim around them. Pretty cool with the Autobot stamp right there on the front hood. Pretty cool. Love this one. I should have bought another one, but did not find another one. It was the only one left in the shelves. Screen Time Hot Wheels. Pretty cool. $5. Should have got another one. We're not getting another one. Or one or two, you know. This one last one, but you know, can't do much about it. The thing was picked through and they missed this one. Got lucky, honestly. Let me know which one of these two is your favorite. I actually like I like the Bumblebee. It's pretty nice, compact, really cool design color. Optimus is pretty cool too, but I gotta go with the Underdog. So yeah, if you like Transformers, Hot Wheels, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.